Dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is class 10 second language English model question paper with answer. First one, choose the appropriate question tag for the statement Suma never comes late to school. So here answer for this is, so answer is A, does she. Identify the part of speech of underlined word bravery. So answer is C, noun. Read the given conversation and choose the infinitive. So answer is C, to meet. Read the given conversation, fill the blanks with choose the appropriate word. Answer is would have taken. Which one of the following words has two syllables? Answer is C, this one, pencil. Then combine with column A with column B. Quick glance. Answer is glance. For seventh one, the hospital has bought an X-ray. An. Use an here. Then take it or leave it. Fill in the blanks with a suitable preposition. Shatarji was a man of principle. Answer is of. Next 10th question, my brother leaves. So add S to this. Write in the blank leave and add S. So it becomes leaves. Next, teacher praised the honesty. Add TY. Next, use the word book as verb in a sentence. So for 12th question, answer is I have booked 3 tickets for Katera movie. So this is 12th answer. Next come to 13th. Change into comparative degree. Bangalore is the costliest city in Karnataka. And read the following conversation and change the underlying sentence into reported speech for 13, 14 and 15. And for 16, answer is, for 13, Bangalore is costlier than any other city in Karnataka. For 14th, answer is she was at her home. 15th is diary. So next come to 16th question. So for question number 16, frame a question so as to get an underlined word as a answer. 16th one. Then third main, the following sentence has 2 errors. Edit the sentence and rewrite it in the answer book. For 16 and 17. So for 16, what do the students write? Answer. Then for 70, in first sentence by spelling is wrong. Make it correct and rewrite the sentence again. And for B, individually spelling is wrong. Make it correct and rewrite the sentence in the answer book. Next come to fourth main, answer the following question in 2-3 sentences. 7 questions will be there, each carries 2 marks. So this is all from your chapter. So from 18 question to question number 24. So this is all from your chapter. Answer for this is, so from 18th question, 18th, 19th, for 20, 21 question, 22nd, 23rd question answer. R question was also there for all question answer. Then come to 24th question and or question. So this is 2 mark questions. Next one, read the following extract and answer the following question. So this carries 3 marks. 27 and 28, 29, 30. 4 questions will be there. So before that, this one is also there now. Fifth main, answer the following question, 5 to 6 sentences. 2 questions will be there. So for 25th and 26th. And for next one, read the extract and answer the following questions. This is 4 questions will be there. So from 25 to 30 question. For 25th question answer, and for 26th question. Next, for 27 question, A, B, C was there. For A, B, C answer. For 28, 29, 30, 31. So for till 30. Then let's see the question number 31. What is the question? So next one, 31 question. Given below is the profile. Write a paragraph using the clues given below. So here Sudha Murthy in profile is given. We have to make it as paragraph. Next, 8th main question number 32. Develop the story using the clues given below. Some clues are given. Using that we have to develop the story. Then study the picture given below and write the description about this picture. That is 33. So next, 10th main will be code for memory. This is the poem. Let's from 31 question to 34. Let's see. For 31 question, so profile is given. So make it as paragraph using that profile. That is 31. Question number 31. Next, come to question number 32. You have to make a story using the clues. Then question number 33. By seeing picture, you have to write a description about that picture. Then 34. Complete the poem. Or poem is also 2 poems there. So anyone you can write. Next question is question number 35. Next question number 35 is read the following passage and answer the following questions. So this is passage is given. Using that passage you have to answer these two question A and B. So that is 35. Next, come to question number 36. Answer the following question in 8 to 10 sentences. So that is 36. 3 questions is there. Anyone you can write. That carries 4 marks. Next, 37 question is write essay anyone. So 3 options are there. Anyone you can write essay. That is also 4 marks. Then last question 38. Write a letter. So this is 5 marks. So let's see answer. So question number 35, passage question. For read the passage carefully and answer the question A and B. So this is the answer A and B. Next, from 36 question, 8 to 10 sentence answer. 3 questions was there. So any one you can write here. 3 question answer also there. So which one you want? Copy down the answer. So that is that. Then 37 question number. So that is about essay. Write essay about anyone here for air pollution. So write like this: introduction, causes, effects and remedies, conclusion. Or India after Chandrayaan 3. This is also there for essay. So this also you can write. Next, or question, mobile addiction in students. So this one. Next, come to question number 38. Write a letter. So this is your letter. 2 options were there here, or after or also it's there. So this is your English model question paper. Stay tuned for next subject.